know look on this 1948 Chevy truck that we're building into a mini prime mover race car hauler. And eventually, hopefully, Sue and myself, this will be our last hot rod when we're ready for a caravan and no more work. A long way off. But yeah, the work that went into it sounds simple, just, oh yeah, we'll just, you know, we'll build a dually and put these big 22-inch Alcoas on there and get it all engineered and it'll all just be fine. Yeah, that was a mission. But it's what we do. And usually if people stick with us and see the process out, we have success and come up with a really good product.